Okay. First, I am from Group 9, Fluid Power System, EMJ36303. Today, I'm going to explain the overall flow and operation of hydraulic breaker system. Starting from the power supply, oil act as fluid of the system is supplied from the hydraulic reservoir, which is drawn by the hydraulic pump and driven by the electric motor. The pressuring oil is supplied to the system and operate the hydraulic breaker system in parallel. Let us start at the swing drive operations. Initially, the 6/3-way DCV is at neutral positions. When the joystick controller is actuated towards the positive x-axis value, the 6/3-way DCV shift its position downward, which allowed the fluid flow towards the 3/3-way DCV, then actuated it and shift upward, which allowed the fluid flow. After that, the fluid were flowing through the orifices, which restrict the flow rate at the fluid to slow down the movement of rotary motor because it rotates in angle. The fluid will then pass through the checker valve at the unloading valve with pivot at extensions, which actuated the unloading valve at retractions, allowed the fluid pass through the unloading valve and flow back to the reservoir. Rotary motor move right to the left. When the joystick controller actuated towards the negative x-axis, the 6/3-way DCV shift its position upward, but 3/3-way DCV remain at upward positions. Now the fluid will pass through the check valve of unloading valve at retractions and actuator pivot of unloading valve at extensions, and then the fluid will move in opposition way and rotary motor move from left to right. The operations of the other actuated systems are similar with the rotary motor, but without the orifices valve. Now, let's explain about the motor drive of the vehicles. The fluid will flow through a normally closed 4/2-way DCV, which acts as a reverse switch. Then the fluid is separated parallelly to the left drive and right drive motor. The movement of the left drive and right drive motor is controlled by the left pedal and right pedal, which were actuated another 4/2-way DCV. Besides, the hydraulic breaker is initially off, which controlled by a switch. The hydraulic breaker is driven by two independent pumps in different flow rates, which controlled by a 3/2-way DCV, which actuated by a solenoid of switches. Initially, the hydraulic breaker cylinder is at retractions. When the fluid passes through the check valve, the pressure of retraction increases until a maximum pressure. Then the pivot of valve will actuate the 4/2-way DCV to switch the direction of the flow. The flow of extensions is then similar to the retraction as well. So last, there's an emergency button to break all the connection at emergency conditions by using two 2/2-way DCV controller by solenoid. That's it. Thank you.